Introducing an innovative way to save time and money installing drywall corners with three-way. You'll notice three-way's exclusive, flexible, overlapping flap, which allows for adjustment to inconsistent framing. Simply rotate three-way to find the best placement in the corner and mark an edge for quick install. During mudding and taping, three-way saves you time because there's no need to fit the tapes tightly into the corner. Traditional installs require plenty of precision mudding work. Three-way allows the installer to finish off the wall joints without the need to be so accurate in the corner mudding. As tapes have a tendency to stretch and crimp in the angles, three-way makes rolling and flushing easier. We've eliminated the need to be so precise with your corner tapes. The water-activated glue is designed to provide solid adhesion during install where there may not be consistent mud coverage. Use a spray bottle or sponge to wet the three-way and activate the glue. Traditional corners take time to straighten out and square up tapes in the angles. You'll typically need 3 applications of mud, with each coat requiring overnight drying and next day sanding. Our exclusive three-way design with its tapered edges allows easy place and fill without having to mess with problematic corners. This makes sanding and filling significantly faster and simpler than traditional methods. See for yourself. You'll save time and money on warranty work because three-way eliminates cracks and dust buildup that frequently occur with traditional corner angles. Three-way can be installed by an apprentice, resulting in better corners than a journeyman, allowing your highly skilled team to focus on other more critical tasks. Three-way saves you time and money on every stage and aspect of creating a desirable finished product. If you tape by hand or use machines, you can apply tape quicker when you don't have to be so precise in your three-way. Piecework journeymen will immediately recognize how quick and easy they are to install and work with. A little curious about your first three-way? After many years in the drywall business, we have perfected the three-way and cornered the market. Our unique design for corner finishing gets praise from contractors and industry experts alike. Ready to learn our drywall secrets? Get in touch with us to try your three-way today. For more information about how three-way can save you time and money, give us a call or send an email. Our sales team will get back to you with all the details. Three-way really is simplified drywall corner finishing.